Hello all dear students. Let us start solution of exercise 14.5 question number first. Draw line segment AB of length 4.3 centimeter and find its axis of symmetry. To find the axis of symmetry, we have to find a perpendicular bisector of this line segment AB. So first of all, in the first step, we will draw a line segment AB with the length 4.3 or 7.3 centimeter. So here I am using a ruler to make a line segment of 7.3 centimeter. It's 7 and 7.3. The name of the line segment is AB. Now we have to make a perpendicular bisector, so we will take A as a center and radius more than half of AB, more than half of AB. We will cut an arc here and here. With the same arc we will use as a center B. We will cut here and here. We will increase this arc here. Now you can see we are getting 2 points. This one, we will join these points. So you can see this is the axis of symmetry. This is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. We can name this point C and D. Here CD is the axis of symmetry of the line segment AB. Question number 3. Draw the perpendicular bisector of X line segment XY whose length is 10.3 centimeter. Now first is take any point P on the bisector drawn. Examine whether Px is equals to Py. So first, in the first step, we have to make a bisector of XY. So we'll draw XY whose is the length of 10.3. Here I am making line segment XY with the line 10 point. X and Y. To make a perpendicular bisector, we will open more than half of XY. We will cut an arc here. From X as a center, we will cut again one arc here and here. We will get 2 points. Join these 2 points. We will write the name C and D. Here CD is a perpendicular bisector of XY and the length of this is 10.3 centimeter. In the second step, now, and we will write the name of this joining point P, and you can see this is a perpendicular bisector, so it is Px is equals to Py. Now the second B, if M is the midpoint. Here M is the midpoint of XY, so we have to make again one XY with the length of 10.3 centimeter. If you divide into two equal parts, 5, 5, 1, 1, and here you will get the midpoint M. This X and Y. What can you say about the length MX and XY? So we are talking about MX the line segment MX and XY. So it's very clear, MX is the half of the line segment XY. Question number 4. Draw a line segment of length 12.8 centimeter using compasses. Divide into 4 equal parts. Verify by actual measurement. So we have to divide with compasses here. Means first of all we will draw our line segment 12.8 centimeter. With the help of ruler we will measure. So here we will draw a line segment 12.8. Name this point A and B. The total length is 12.8. Here you can see the total length is 12.8 centimeter. Now we have to divide into 4 equal parts. So first of all we will divide into 2 equal parts with the help of perpendicular bisector. To make a perpendicular bisector we will open this arc more than half, like this. If half is there, so open it more than half. Cut an arc here and here as a center B, and as a center A we will again cut an arc here and here. If you join these points, name this point C and D. Now CD is a perpendicular bisector of this line segment AB, means we have to divide into 2 equal parts. Again we have to divide this point. So we'll write the point here, like you can write name E. So this AE and EB we have to divide into 2 equal parts, and we have to divide 4 equal parts. So again we will take a center as A and the radius, the length of radius less than half or greater than half of AE. Cut an arc here, the center E, one arc here with A, again cut an arc in E, cut. So now you can see the joining point of this arc, these and these. Join the point. Now we are divided into 1, 2 and 3. Again we will follow the same process here. We'll cut an arc here as a center B, as a center E. We'll cut arc, we'll join the point. Now we'll write a name A. You can write M, E and N. So we have divided this AB into 4 equal parts: AM, ME, EN and NB. So total length is 4.8. If you divide by 4.8 by 4, so you will get 3.2 centimeter. Now check by your ruler. This 3.2, again this one 3.2, 3.2 and 3.2. So here we can say this AM is equals to ME is equals to EN is equals to NB. All are equal 3.2 centimeter.